everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, the Real Housewives of Durban has become the fans favorite after Nonku revealed she is Sifiso Ncwane's baby mama. Her daughter's name is Nothile. Sadly, she had never had a relationship with her father, and she didn't even attend the funeral because Nonku, her mother, was afraid of drama and she was married by that time. On the previous episode, Nothile was offered a chance to meet her siblings Ncwedi, Mawenza, and her stepmother Ayanda Ncwane, who was so surprised by Nothile's personality that reminded her of the late husband Sifiso Ncwane. Guys, it was really a touching episode to see Nothile visiting her father's grave for the first time. Her mother Nonku couldn't hold her tears. She shared a picture of her daughter at the graveyard captioned, "God being God, listen to my silent prayer and answer it." Sifiso may not be alive today, but this moment right here, I felt the heavens opening up its doors and proclaiming the wonders of God. All things are possible with God. Her followers responded by saying, "God bless you, Nonku, you are one strong woman." This was emotional, and I love how you guys just naturally blended as a family. Beautiful. Sibonga umoya omuhle uJehova uvumele phakathi kwenu. Ethi Ayanda Ncwane naze naba izimbokodo ezinhle ezinobambiswano. Zikhona izihibe endleleni kodwa nangabuka lokho nanqoba. Phambili ngabantu besifazane phambili. Oh sisi uxole. Kubuhlungu, but I'm glad your baby girl found closure. Oh Nonku, I'm so happy. Finally hug and kisses to you and Nothile. Awu uNothi ungubabakhe ezihlalele. Siyabonga Nkosi. Love you guys. What an emotional episode. Hashtag episode 5. This was so emotional. I had my tears falling. Love you Nonku, such a beautiful soul. Ave ngithanda ukusikhalisa kodwa lesini ingiphathe kabi shem. We thank Ayanda Sisi who made it possible. Nibambane njalo. Guys, indeed that was a very emotional episode. Nothile couldn't express how she felt. I'm sure she was asking herself many questions that no one can answer beside her late father Sifiso Ncwane. Nothile is not the only child that didn't have a relationship with Sifiso. His firstborn Nqobile also mentioned the same thing on the interview she had with Drama Magazine in 2019. We are hoping they will find closure one day. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.
One shot.
Yeah,
One shot now.
So 3.
What?
That's good, son.